I'm showing you how I am creating an Etsy shop prop for one of my newest wedding day keepsake products. If you haven't seen it already, I make very unique embroidered lace blue butterflies that glow in the dark. So for this prop, I needed some silk flowers, and I'm just showing you how I used wire cutters to remove the majority of the bottom of the stem because I don't need the fake flower stem sticking out of my prop. Here I'm taking a double folded layer of bubble wrap, and I'm just showing you that I folded it twice to give it more of a thickness, and I put just regular Scotch tape at the end of it. And now I'm going to roll this up, and you can do this to the thickness of your choice, or you can even use a piece of foam like from a swimming pool noodle, but I had this laying around, so I thought it would work. But anyways, this will give me the width that I need to create this prop. Basically, it's a prop for the wedding floral bouquet accessory that I make and sell. This is a piece of an old wedding dress, and you can use anything you want, any fabric that you want, but I figured this is the best fabric I have right now for this prop. Again, you can use whatever you want. Now, my prop is not included in the listing, and neither is the fabric, but you'll want to take more time to wrap your stem, do a better job than I did for this tutorial. But anyways, it's just a picture prop. You'll want to fluff your silk flowers unless you use real flowers. My budget does not allow for real roses right now. But anyways, I hope you enjoy this video. Please like and subscribe, give me a follow, and share with your friends and family. Have a great day. Bye, guys.